Principal here at Hayden School, along with Mr. Murdoch, our assistant principal. And we're here to honor some awesome fourth graders that have done a tremendous job these last 3 months of school. It's important, boys and girls, that we take some time to come together like this and reflect back and say thank you for all the hard work that you guys do every single day here at Hayden School. Because every single one of you guys matter to us. And we want to make sure we try and recognize as many of you as we can for all the hard work that you've done these last 3 months of school. All right, so the way it's going to work, if I call your name, you're going to come on up, get your certificate from Mr. Murdoch, and then we're going to put you up on stage. And then when we get enough kids up on stage, parents, you can come on up and get a nice close-up picture and put it up on Facebook right away and show off. Everybody. What an amazing child you have. All right, so here we go. Our first award is called the Big Improvement Award. So these students have done a tremendous job the last 3 months of school, putting in extra effort, working extra hard, whether it's their fluency or their multiplication or their writing, but that extra effort that they put in has been paying off for them, so we want to honor them students right now. All right, we're going to start in Mrs. Weber's class. Let's honor Jolly Gabrin. Melanie Perez. And Nin Lee. All right, for Mr. Wogozogan's class, let's honor Cindy Wynn. And Talon Ho. All right, from Mrs. Flores' class, let's honor Ezekiel Allen. From Mrs. May's class, let's honor Diana Arcos. Let's honor Angel Ortega Esproza. And Tan Win. From Mrs. Angeles' class for Big Improvement, Jonathan Pena. And Wendy Pham. From Miss Lee's class for Big Improvement Award, let's honor David Vasquez. And Maritza Marquez. And one more. And our last Big Improvement Award winner, Brandon LaWong. All right, families, you want to come up and take a picture? Come on up. Everybody brushed their teeth, right? Now you got to show them off.